Creating approval processes in Process.st can be a game changer for streamlining workflows, ensuring proper validation at each stage, and preventing bottlenecks. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to create approval processes in Process.st with ease, even if you're completely new to the platform. Stick around to learn how you can automate these processes and make your team more efficient. First off, let's get into the basics. Process.st is a powerful tool for workflow automation, and it gives you the ability to create approval processes that are both simple and effective. The best part? You can actually use Process.st for free through the first link below with our exclusive bonuses, so don't miss out. Now, approval processes are essential for controlling what happens at various points in your workflows, like ensuring that a manager's approval is required before a task moves forward. With Process.st, you can create an approval step in any of your processes. To do this, you'll first need to set up a template for your process. Once that's done, adding an approval step is as simple as dragging and dropping a checklist item or a task, depending on your preference. When you add a task for approval, you can designate it as an approval step, which means that no one can move to the next step until someone else approves it. You can assign this step to the appropriate person, whether that's a manager, supervisor, or team leader. It's important to customize your workflow in a way that aligns with your business rules, so the person who needs to approve the task is clear. Next, let's talk about notifications. You'll want to ensure the right people are notified when approval is needed. Process.st gives you the ability to send automatic notifications whenever an approval step is reached. This ensures that nobody misses an important task that requires their attention. You can also set up automated reminders to avoid delays if approvals aren't given within a specified time frame. Another key feature you'll want to use is approval rules. This is a powerful tool that allows you to set criteria for when tasks are automatically approved or sent back for revision. For example, you could set a rule that if the task is marked as complete, it gets automatically approved. Or you could make sure that specific criteria are met before it moves on. This is especially useful if you want to reduce manual intervention in your workflows. If you're looking to manage more complex approval processes, you can integrate Process.st with other tools in your tech stack, like Slack, Google Sheets, or even your CRM, which makes it even easier to manage and track approval tasks. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create robust and seamless approval processes in Process.st that reduce your team's workload and make it easier to track and monitor approvals. And remember, if you're new to Process.st, you can try it for free through the link below, along with some exclusive bonuses. This will allow you to test out these features for yourself without any commitment. Don't forget, Process.st's approval process features are a simple way to ensure that your workflow is efficient, automated, and up to your standards. So, whether you're managing a small team or scaling a larger organization, these approval processes will help you maintain control and streamline operations. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check the link below for your extended free trial to Process.st. This is a great chance to get started with creating your own approval processes and optimizing your workflow today.